Okay, folks, this video is near and dear to my heart. I love movies, and we're going to show you how to make an outdoor screen for your outdoor experience. We're going to be using some 1.5 gallon planters. They're about 2 foot wide. And we'll be securing 2 4x4 posts with 50-pound bags of Quikrete. You'll need 2 for this project. Alright, to get started, you need to center your post in the middle of your flower pot and make sure that that is seated on level ground. That's very, very important. Of equal importance, you need your post to be level on both sides as well. I made a simple jig here made out of 2 pieces of wood that I just screwed together, and it's going to brace against this brick I've got. I'm going to screw that into the post to make it nice and straight. I tied on a post leveler, and you can see that little bubble should be in between the black lines on both sides, which tells you that it is indeed straight. Securing your post to the pot is actually a very simple but messy endeavor. You're going to take 1 bag of 50-pound Quikrete and empty it into the flower pot, making sure it's spread around nice and even. Then with a water hose, saturate your mix with about a gallon, gallon and a half of water. And then I would recommend waiting about an hour before you actually decide to move your pots around to where you want them to be. This is how my first pot looked after about 25 minutes, to give you an idea. Now once the concrete is completely dry, have someone help you move your planter around. As you can see in my case, I was able to roll it on its side by myself. Then just check to make sure that you have them equally distributed and they're on level footing. Before we go any further, you'll need to protect your post with wood sealer. If you watched our gazebo tips and ideas video, you'll know that we went with Valspar. It adds extra years of protection that's definitely worth it. I'll include a link in the description for later viewing. Now we want to focus on the lower half for planting. I added a little bit of sand that really wasn't necessary and about 3 inches of standard pea gravel. Now this really helps with heavy water or rainfall for drainage. Afterwards, I also drilled a few holes just beneath the gravel to allow water to escape the planters. Now A is our household's designated green thumb. It's definitely not me, so she took over for this part. She filled up both pots with potting mix soil, which will provide a healthy base for our flowers. We chose a beautiful dark pink Gora for our planters. It's a perennial, which means it will grow back each spring, year after year. In preparation of hanging the screen, I installed 4 eye hooks. Make sure you pre-drill to avoid the wood splitting. We can now easily hang the screen. I recommend small S-hooks or carabiner clips for easy setup and takedown. Attach through the screen grommets and clip them to the eye hooks. Now we chose a 120-inch outdoor screen which fit perfectly. I'll include the details in the description box below. Once the sun goes down, you'll be able to sit back, relax, and enjoy some entertainment. We love watching movies and sporting events outside. Our household is obsessed with UFC fight nights, for example. And I hope you have enjoyed watching our little video and that it inspires you to build one for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.